I am Hitendra Shah from Khushi Tashi Enterprise. We are based at Ahmedabad. I have total 40 years experience in this plastic industries. And today the new feature is like WPC. We are the first, we are the pioneer in India. So the conical technology, we are the only person in India. We have a huge stock of extrusion machine, screw barrel, conical, gearbox, and we are also exporting to around 20 countries, mainly hydromotor. We are a agent of 8 companies like Sai Interbot and Bohai Screw and Liansun Machinery. This is going to be a future in India, WPC. It's a green technology. It's a replacement of wood. Every home, everywhere it needs this WPC. So we are hoping to get better business by every time displaying in HIPLEX like all the exhibition. And we are very happy in this HIPLEX exhibition. This show is really good. The organization, the way they are, making this success, it is really good. Organization really good.